Well, hello everyone. Today this video is simply a showcase of one of my projects. I'll have the JavaScript tutorial soon this week uploaded. But as of now, I'm simply going to show this project that I've been working on for the last month. It's an AI website made so that it would combine multiple AI technologies. So we have one in here. You can remove it. So on the landing page, you have this text box. You can start chatting right away. It simply works exactly like ChatGPT. And here it is. So you can click on this button and you can choose the functionalities that you want to use. As of now, only the first four are functioning. The last two aren't. So you can create an image. Simply write the prompt for the image. Cat, for example. It's going to take a bit of time. So while this loading, here is the landing page. It simply links to the different functionalities that I have implemented within the website. Here we have a cat, wonderful. We can also summarize and translate. We can go more in depth into each functionality from each sublink. So we have the create image link, so you can define the resolution 256 by 256, 512 and 1024 number of images, maximum of 5. Let's say I want 3 images, 512, and here you can randomize with the surprise me button. I'm just simply going to say a car and generate. The submit button doesn't do anything. Used to, now it doesn't. It's going to take some time, so while this is loading, we can view the chat. The chat is simply the same. This as of now doesn't work, but get to work later on. So I can start chatting just like we would do with ChatGPT. So here we have hello. What is plus one? Two, as you can see, it's very smart. I'll take my job soon. Move that warning message. The TSST is simply text to speech and speech to text, which as of now is not working. It's on the works. I've got a question on Stack Overflow about some issues I have. I will link the question in the description. If you can help, I would appreciate that. The summarize function. You can simply have text here and it will summarize it for you. So I don't know, let's say short stories. Let's go and find some short story. But the main thing is that you can paste any website here, link URL, and it will summarize it for you so long that it's not too large. So that's the idiom of archipelago, wherever that is. We can simply just copy all of that. That's gonna, okay, that's enough, whatever. Copy all of that. You can simply paste it. I will add a scroll for that because that looks hideous. Now, let's go and click summarize. And that's gonna take some time. Not so much though. So, yeah, and here's the summary. Read if you want both of these, but be sure it's correct. You can also go to any Wikipedia page and a news article page. So I don't want to use a news article website, a news website that will offend anybody. So we're gonna simply use one that is not American. For example, I don't know, like the MTV. MTV for Lebanon. I'm from Lebanon, by the way. So this is also a bias. We're simply gonna ignore that. So you go to any link. You go to here, paste the link, summarize, and it should summarize it for you. So we can wait for that. In the meantime, we can look at the images. So here are 3 car images. You can go on left and right with these buttons right here to go through the images. Wonderful. Look at that. Fantastic. Guys, trust me, AI is going to take over here. The summary of the article. You can go, I don't know, like a recipe for cookies. something like that. Go to whatever website you want. This one, I guess. Copy the link. Go to here, paste, summarize it for you. Wikipedia articles, basically anything. So long that the content isn't that large. It depends really. For example, Wikipedia articles, it can be as large as it is, but other websites, so long as it's less than 4,000 words, you should be okay. So it is the summary. We also have translate. Now the translate isn't that useful, I guess you can say. You can simply just go to chat and say, translate, I love potatoes from English to, let's say, German. So you can say, do that. However, well, you get the, I guess, the design and functionalities. So here you can select the language. You can either do it by search or clicking on a button. So I'm gonna say from English to German as well. You can also use the actual the writing of the language, the Deutsch in this case. And let's say I love apples. Translate that. So here we got ich liebe Kartoffeln, which is correct. I know a bit of German. Und ich liebe Äpfel, which is also correct. So yeah, for the most part, that's it as of now. You can also log in. I just added the login authentication as of now. There is no really any use for it, but later on I can implement it with the chatting in order to remember all of your chats, or maybe I can use like cookies and stuff like that. I just wanted to have your opinion on it. What can I add? What can I improve? What design you would like change, or what functionalities you would like to be added? And yeah, I will link the source code. That's about it. See you in the next video.